Hi, Ruthie here, and I'm going to go over my mom, Jean Schlager's Noodle Kugel. She got the recipe from her very good friend from Lexington, Mass. I grew up eating it, and all of my children grew up eating it, and it's still one of their favorite things to eat. And it's incredibly easy. Literally 3 steps. So you want your mixer, and in your first step, you have 6 tablespoons of butter. You have a half a cup of sugar. You have 1 cup of sour cream, 6 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. They're all going to go in the mixer and just mix up till it's really creamy. When that's mixed up, you come down to your second set of ingredients where you have 1 pound of cream cheese, 1 pound of cottage cheese, and a half a teaspoon of salt. That all goes in the mixer and continues to mix and just all cream together. And in the meantime, while you're doing that, it's best you throw your noodles in so they're cooking, because it works best that they're fresh and hot. And I just do those in salted water. And this final step is after it goes through its first bake. This is your topping. You need brown sugar, you need 4 teaspoons of melted butter, and you need sliced almonds. And we'll get going by throwing our noodles in to cook. Okay, my noodles are boiling, so I'm just going to put in my 6 tablespoons of melted butter in my mixing bowl. I'm going to add my half a cup of sugar. I'm going to add my 1 cup of sour cream. And my 6 eggs. And my vanilla. And we're just going to get mixing up. Maybe not. Oh, here we go. Alright, so that's what it looks like. It is going, and now I'm going to add my cream cheese, my 2 cream cheese blocks. And you can see the consistency starts to get a little bit thicker. Okay, my noodles are all cooked and ready. Just going to pour them in my pan. Spread them out a little bit so they're nice and even. And then take a look in here and you'll see the consistency of your topping on the kugel. So I'm just going to take it out. And you just pour it over your noodles. So easy. Okay, so all my cheesy cream mixtures in there. I usually just give it a couple of bangs on the counter to get air bubbles out and mix them with the noodles. I bring it over to my 350-degree preheated oven and pop it in. And set my timer, I should know, for 30 minutes. And that's the first part of its bake. Okay, your first 30-minute bake is done. It kind of puffs up a little bit. And here's your next step. I don't measure out my brown sugar. You use as much brown sugar as you like. We tend to like it pretty sweet. So I use my hands and I sprinkle brown sugar. I clean hands all over the top. And you can adjust your brown sugar to how sweet you like your kugel. We clearly like ours very sweet. And then take our 4 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, and I'm just going to just zigzag it across the top. And then again, your choice whether you'd like to use almonds or not. We use sliced almonds on top. And we put our sliced almonds on. Sometimes when I'm making it for places, I'll only put almonds on half, so those with nut allergies, or I'll make 2 separate ones, because that's such a common thing now. Okay, and it's going back in for a second bake at 350 for 45 minutes. All right, this is the last 45 minutes. It's all cooked, it puffs up a little, it'll go back down. Enjoy, everyone stay well, and I look forward to the time we can all get together soon. Bye.